model, 2015 Ford Transit 2.2TDCi 125PS 350 L3H3 rear-wheel drive, runs and drives bargain smirk engine perfect grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 239581. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2-125PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is crunching in fourth, DPF is also missing from the van, will need replacing. Engine is perfect on the van. Could be used perfectly as an engine donor van saluting face. Condition summary, take the van how you want it. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.